Check on. Now this is gonna be the real me. Okay? This is how I look. Tell me how I look, guys. I look ugly without dreadlock. Yo, what's up, people? Peace out, guys. So today I'm gonna cut my dreadlock. That's after almost 7 years, guys, of proper maintenance of this dreadlock. So anyway, for the fans and the lovers of my dreadlock, I'm so sorry. It's time to say goodbye, okay? Yeah, I don't know the length, but I think it's almost something like, it can be almost 15 or more than 15 centimeter, guys. Huh? How many centimeter do you think is this, guys? Have a look. Damn, man. This is the length, okay? This is the length of my dreadlock. So my brother is bling is here. He's gonna do something. Come, get to know them, guys. My brother is the one gonna remove this shit, guys. So it's gonna be history for him also, okay? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut this. After cutting the dreadlock, we're gonna keep it at home. Later we'll go to salon and do a proper haircut, guys. So this is all this vlog gonna be about. In case you wanna buy this shit, man, let me know in the comment. This is original dreadlock, okay? Yeah, proper product of India. Okay, let's do this. You can find the full video in YouTube, man. Now let's start.
That's number one.
Give this one. Fear at the wheel, at the wheel. Get after this one.
That's number two.
Yalla, aina. بعدين get it, من ما ألبس المشبك قموش.
أيوة، ما من معروبات ده بس.
بس مع الرباط العاكر. We already started, guys. Start, do your order, guys. Start ordering. The hair is ready. This is 15. This is 20. This is 20 centimeter, man. And I can't wait to see how I look without hair. Jero lay fokena. Lay man. Check on. Now this is gonna be the real me. Okay? This is how I look. Tell me how I look, guys. I look ugly without dreadlock. Mr. Flavor delivery. Damn, I just can't believe, man. This is after 7 years. You know, I usually use nice product from India. But don't worry, guys. I believe that I'm hairy guy. Like, my hair can grow easily so fast. So till next month, you're gonna see.
Money.
Money go flow. How much you go pay for this? I have one of my friend. I have one of my friend from Kampala said he can pay $50 for this, but not even that size, like for half of it. Like he doesn't want that much length.
We're going to count it in pieces.
Yeah, so let me know how much you can pay. We sell global, guys. We can sell global, don't worry. If you need half, no problem, order. Do your orders. This is original dreadlock.
Big size. We also have big size.
So now the first step is done, guys. Removing the dreadlock at home by the help of my G brother of all time playing, guys. Here is he. So anyway, now I head to salon, and this is before the haircut, guys. So I met a new guy, a new barber whom I don't know him, so I didn't want to disturb him while filming or recording when he was doing the haircut. So because such thing in South Sudan, my country, guys, is not normal. Most of the people might reject, though I didn't ask, but I said it's okay, let me just have the haircut, and maybe after the completion I might show you the result. As you can see, guys, so I don't know how you call this kind of haircut. Anyway, I just showed him a pic. I told him this is the haircut I need, but anyway, I also appreciate this. I think I love it, guys. I didn't expect him to do this good. Let me know what do you think about this haircut, guys. So anyway, I'm done with the dreadlock after almost 7 years, guys. So it is what it is. This is my new look, and this is the real gaps that you haven't seen before, because most of the people, I think, they got to know me mostly with the dreadlock, but here is me, guys, the real gaps. Kavi, see you.